Sam Altman says AI will change everything: jobs, power, even humanity itself. He warns that the future could arrive faster than we think, and OpenAI is racing to build it. But now, some of the world's biggest tech leaders are pushing back. Google's Sundar Pichai urges caution. Nvidia's Jensen Huang says AI is powerful, but not magic. Mustafa Suleyman from Microsoft warns there's no medal for being first. Is Sam Altman getting AI wrong? Or is he just early, making everyone else uncomfortable? By the end of this video, you'll understand who's right and what this means for the future of AI. Sam Altman is the CEO of OpenAI, the company at the center of the global race to build artificial general intelligence, or AGI. He's become a household name in tech, not just for the technology his team creates, but for his bold predictions about the future. Altman believes AI agents will soon enter the workforce, reshaping jobs faster than society can adapt. He warns that the pace of AI progress is relentless, and that we may face profound changes in everything from healthcare to education, and even the very structure of power. Under Altman, OpenAI has embraced a move-fast mentality, a code-red culture where speed is survival. The company has poured billions into massive AI infrastructure, training models on unprecedented amounts of data and computing power. For Altman, the faster you innovate, the closer you get to shaping the future, and the higher the stakes if you fall behind. In short, Altman is the accelerationist, someone who believes that moving quickly in AI development is not just preferable, but essential. But as we'll see, not everyone agrees with this approach. So why does OpenAI feel such intense pressure to move fast? The answer lies in the AI race itself. Competitors like Google, Anthropic, and Meta are all pouring billions into AI research and infrastructure. In this world, falling behind could mean losing the chance to define the future of intelligence. But this isn't just a software race. Progress in AI requires massive amounts of hardware, energy, and data. Building these models isn't like shipping a new app. It's an industrial-scale challenge. Data centers filled with thousands of GPUs, chips designed specifically for AI workloads, and energy costs that rival small cities. This is the reality of the race. Altman's mindset is clear. Speed is survival. Move fast, iterate, and scale relentlessly. He sees AGI as both an opportunity and a threat. If OpenAI doesn't push forward, someone else will. But this raises a critical question. Is racing toward AGI the only option, or the most dangerous one? This is the mentality that has driven OpenAI to the forefront of AI innovation. But as we'll see next, not everyone believes that moving this fast is the right approach. Not everyone agrees with Altman's breakneck approach. Some of the world's biggest tech leaders are pushing back, emphasizing caution, responsibility, and trust over speed. Mustafa Suleyman, co-founder of DeepMind and now a key figure at Microsoft, puts it bluntly: there is no medal for being first. Microsoft is stressing safety, responsibility, and building long-term trust with AI. The message is clear: innovation is important, but rushing without guardrails can be catastrophic. Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, advocates a gradual approach. He emphasizes regulation, careful deployment, and robust guardrails to prevent unintended consequences. Unlike Altman, Pichai avoids hyping AGI as a near-term inevitability, focusing instead on integrating AI safely into society. Nvidia's Jensen Huang sees AI as powerful, but he reminds us that humans still control its direction. His focus is on AI as a set of tools, not autonomous agents capable of running the world. Huang's message is: understand the technology, but don't get lost in hype. This is the core tension in AI today: acceleration versus caution, disruption versus integration. As we move forward, understanding these perspectives is crucial, because the choices tech leaders make now will define how AI shapes our world. So is Sam Altman overhyping AI? Let's take a closer, fact-based look. AI today is incredibly powerful, but it's not without limitations. Large language models can hallucinate, generating confident-sounding but false information. Training these models comes at enormous financial and environmental costs. Running state-of-the-art AI systems consumes as much energy as small cities, and scaling them further isn't trivial. Some critics argue that the promise of near-term AGI might be more about attracting capital than technical reality. Companies raise billions of dollars, in part, by projecting a vision of intelligence that can do everything. A narrative that excites investors and policymakers alike. But this isn't about being anti-Altman. The question is analytical. Are these claims grounded in what AI can actually achieve in the near future? Or are they part of a powerful story driving innovation and funding? Ultimately, understanding these limits helps us separate hype from feasible progress. And as the debate continues, the stakes aren't just theoretical. They're about jobs, society, and who controls the future of intelligence. Why does this debate over speed versus caution really matter? Because the decisions made by tech leaders today will affect all of us. Jobs and automation are at the forefront. AI is already capable of performing tasks that once required human workers. For millions, this could mean new opportunities or the loss of familiar work. The question isn't just if AI can do a job, but how society manages that transition. Regulation versus innovation is another key tension. Push too hard without safeguards, and society could face risks of misuse, bias, or even catastrophic errors. Move too slowly, and we may fall behind globally, losing economic and technological leadership. And then there's the concentration of power. The companies building these AI systems control not just the technology, but the data, infrastructure, and potentially the rules of the game. Who gets to shape intelligence, and who decides how it's used? This isn't about Sam Altman being right or wrong. It's about who gets to shape the future. So, what's the most likely outcome of this intense debate? The truth is, there probably won't be a single winner. Instead, we're likely heading toward a hybrid approach. Sam Altman's push for speed will continue to drive rapid innovation and breakthroughs. At the same time, leaders like Sundar Pichai, Jensen Huang, and Mustafa Suleyman will ensure that caution, regulation, and responsible deployment guide how these technologies integrate into society. The insight here is crucial. AI won't be stopped, but the way it arrives and the safeguards in place will define the next century. For economies, governments, and everyday lives, the reality is that innovation and caution aren't mutually exclusive. A balanced approach could unleash AI's potential while minimizing risks, creating a future where humans remain in control even as machines grow more capable. So, is Sam Altman wrong about AI? Or is he just early, making everyone uncomfortable? The answer may not be simple, but one thing is clear. The choices made today will shape the future of technology, jobs, and society itself. Now it's your turn to weigh in. Who do you agree with? Altman's acceleration, or the cautious pushback from leaders like Pichai, Huang, and Suleyman? Drop your thoughts in the comments. The debate is just getting started. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell